Before we jump into today's tutorial, don't forget to check out this platform where you can get super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. I'm going to drop the link in the video description down below. It is definitely going to help you save some money. So with that said, let's get back to our video.
A lot of people think Grok is just another chatbot like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, something you can use for research, answering questions, and brainstorming ideas. But in reality, Grok is much more powerful than that. With Grok AI, you can create stunning images, generate AI videos, create websites, and also animate images to videos and do a lot more. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Grok Imagine to create images, create videos, and animate images. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I am currently using Super Grok. On Grok AI, you can actually create websites here. You can also chat with Grok like ChatGPT. You can also brainstorm ideas just like you normally do with your ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Now in this video, I'm going to focus on the imaging. So I'm going to come over here, click on imaging, and this is where it's going to take me. So over here, you can see you can generate images, generate videos. This is where you can select the quality of your images. If you're generating images, select how many images you want to generate per prompt. Select the aspect ratio right here, paste in your prompt right here. You can also click here to upload images as reference. Now if you want to generate a video, just go ahead, click on video here. This is where you can select the resolution. This is where you can select the time. So you can generate up to 10 seconds video, and over here this is where you can select the aspect ratio for the video you want to generate. Paste in your prompts here, click here to generate, and also you can upload images here and turn them into videos. So first of all, I'm going to paste in a prompt here to generate our image. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in a prompt right here, and I'm going to select 4 to generate 4 images. And the aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it on 16:9. Next, I'm going to come over here, click on send, and you can see Grok is now generating 4 images for us. Now after this image are generated, I can go ahead and check which one I love the most. So you can see here it's generated 4 images for us. If I want to download any of the image, I can just click on it, and then I can come down here, click on download, and download it to my laptop or my smartphone. Alright, so we are done with generating images. Let's go ahead and generate a video from text. So I'm going to click on imagine again, and now we are going to select video and then paste in my prompts. Alright, so after pasting in my prompts, I'm going to select the resolution here. The time is going to be 6 seconds. The aspect ratio is going to be 16:9. Next, I'm going to go ahead, click here to submit it. Okay guys, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see it right here. Right now you can come over here and post it to X, which is Twitter. You can download it, you can regenerate it, you can extend it, and you can save the presets. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on download right here, and you can see the video has been downloaded successful, as you can see. Now if you want to extend this video, you can click on extend right here, and this is going to appear over here. Grok is going to ask you to add a prompt to describe your next scene. So I'm just going to go ahead and send it. Alright, so the video has been extended, and now you can see instead of 6 seconds, it is now 12 seconds. Now you can also generate videos from images you already generated. So all you need to do is to click on plus icon here, click on upload media. Alright, so once the image is uploaded, I'm going to go ahead, paste in my prompts, select the resolution, the time, and then click right here to start generating the video. Alright, so the image has been animated, as you can see it right here. So once again, you can download, you can regenerate it, and you can extend it as well. Alright,